Hi everyone, welcome to today's live stream. Today's live stream is gonna be so much fun because we are doing one of my favorite things in the world, and that is playing K-pop games. I don't know about you guys, but I love K-pop games. I live for them. I eat up every single video on YouTube of K-pop games because I think they're so much fun. And we're actually going to be starting a new series here on Kooky, which is called Ariel's K-pop Golden Bell. So basically what that means is when we have these live streams, we will be playing games and we will be having some fun in the kind of style of like Idol's Golden Bell games, but we're just gonna be playing K-pop games, and I hope you guys enjoy them. We're gonna play the first game, and it's called Can You Guess the K-Pop Song by 1 Second. Now, I do just want to say that I have not watched any of these videos. I have not pre-watched them. I don't know what's going on. And I do want to tell you guys, if you guys haven't seen these games, I am super competitive and I hate losing. So this is gonna be great. Number 1. Blackpink. How you like that? Woo! Number 2. Stray Kids, God's Menu. Let's go. That's Mafia in the Morning by ITZY. We do it like the mafia. Blue Hour by TikTok. I was like, I'm gonna scream Blue Hour. That's all weird. Feel Like by Pentagon. Got my feeling like boop, 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 boop. I feel like I definitely got a 50% or above though, so I feel like I still won. This is another one of my favorite kind of games to play, and it's Guess the K-pop Song by the English Phrase. Quote a sentence in a K-pop. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Oh. That, I like that. That, I like that, babe. I think we all know this one. That's That by Psy featuring Suga of BTS. This one I got. This one I feel confident in. Let's get it, driving, never stop it. Wow, I'm having a mental breakdown of do I know English? I'm confused. It's gonna be something I know for sure. Let's get it. Do you know how many times I have streamed that song? Guys, we finally found something Ariel is absolute trash at. What you looking at? What you looking at? I'm Fearless by Les Seraphim. That one's easy, okay? I got that one. This is Cover June. What does that song in? Yeah, Spider, you got me locked up, babe. What is Come Here June in English? Venom. Stray Kids Venom. Stray Kids Venom, sorry. Yeah, Spider, you got me locked up, babe. So don't slow it up for me. I feel like this is bringing out. That's right. So don't slow. This game is called Guess the Mix K-pop Songs. And so basically what they're gonna do is play 2 songs at the same time and you have to guess both of them. This is easier for me than that. Okay, it was 1 by Astro and Na 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 by GOT7. But that's basically how the game works. Okay, Blessed, Cursed by Hypen. And is it Work Hard by DKB? I think that's the name of the song. It's DKB, but I think it's called Work Hard, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, we know you. Bicycle by Tonga! Bicycle by Tonga and Dundanes by, oh my god, wow, Bicycle. Wow, that was hard. Alrighty, you like it when, wow. Dundanes was in my brain. There is one game that we didn't play. That was Can You Guess 100 2022 songs. So they've only been released in 2022. Alright, let's see how many we can get. I won't count, but you guys can count for me. This is Dreamcatcher's Mason. Plus Cursed by an Hyphen. This will be easier because it has the music videos, I'll be honest. This is way easier. Do It Like This by P1 Harmony. Do It Like This. Wow, I forgot this song was released this year. Wow. This is Run to You by Stacey. I turn eyes to you, sun to you. Adrenaline by Watch out for Darling by 17. Darling, you, darling. In you. This is Love Theory by Taeyong and Weinstein. I love this song. Thank you guys so much for watching today's live stream. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Today was obviously our Golden Bell challenge, so if you guys want to see more in this series, please let us know if you guys like these. Also, if you ever want to recommend a specific video for me to react to and play the game to, please obviously DM me, DM Kooky on our social media. Obviously follow us on our social medias, and you can always come back to see my live streams Saturdays at 11 a.m. KST, 10 p.m. Eastern. Thank you guys so much for watching, but I'll see you guys next week for a new live stream. Bye bye.